I record them. So I can't hear you properly. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm waiting. I'm waiting. It's me all about a base, but oh my god, Get that in the game? No, you ain't doing that shit. So we are joining. Ah, don't forget, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I hear ya, I hear ya, I hear ya. Yes. And Leon will be playing as Piggy. I don't know why, but he's playing as Piggy. Oh, dude, look at that mask. Leon Wave Shocker is Piggy. This person got Jeff the Killer clothing. Why this person just jumping on you head? You're cool. Okay, wait for your turn. Wait, we got spectated. What happening? Oh. Oh. Oh, okay, the game finished. Stop doing backflips. Okay, you can do backflip while I sit down. Move! Move! My game loading perfect. Any games on your phone, bro? So, I'm gonna vote factory. Oh, I almost level up to level 78. Okay, I mean 68. Oh, Spider-Man. Oh, look, Leon down there. Wave Shocker. Okay, that looks so creepy. Bro, that looks so creepy. I don't just know nobody. Oh, somebody already dead. Wait. Oh, look, the man on there. Wow, why did I run straight? The mer the Mercy do with the job the color clothes. Bro, why is he chasing him? Oh snap! Let's do by the invisible thing. Wait, actually, how much for that? It's powers. Yeah, it's powers. Oh my gosh. You sticker. Why he only chasing that dude? Bro. Oh. Again, that person right down there. Bro, he know. This dude was running behind me almost about almost like almost a minute. Oh, kill it. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Touch a knife in the back. Oh, both of them left alive. Woo. Look at all the coins. Oh my gosh, bro. That was lame. And you suck, bro. You should have killed it. I don't understand why you didn't kill it. You could have killed the green guy almost a billion times. Oh, it's brain. You're making it look bum, dude. You're making it look bum. Okay. Oh, 8%. Oh, oh, what? Oh my goodness! I think she's actually the murderer. I actually think she's the murderer. I have no clue who's in there. Oh, my game is lagging so much, bro. I can't even see who's in murderer. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Bro, bro, who's the murderer? I did not see. I might get disconnected, to be honest. Okay, I might get disconnected, to be honest. That was you. I lagging. I die. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Oh my god. I don't. Oh my gosh. Lags. The lags are amazing. Lags is one of the best thing in the world, and I died right there. Who's actually the murderer? It's him. Him. In the and get the boombox. The boombox. Shooter. Shooter. Oh my goodness. He said that's all. What up? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Oh my god. Why them don't kill each other, but he could have killed you. Why he didn't kill you? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is. He's saying GG. He didn't even try and kill she, bro. Don't even say GG. He didn't even try and kill she. He's right now the wrong she. Lame. 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 Bro, I hate that mob. Bing, bing. Ding, 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 ding. We're gonna be trying to make it. Follow. 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 That was nice. Oh! Bro! Who's the murderer? You lagging, bud. Bro! Oh, he's the murderer. I ain't even see weapon. Oh my god, I might not even pause this video. This video is so lame. He could have killed the sheriff. He could have killed the sheriff. Bro, kill the sheriff. Finally. One murder that killed the sheriff. This might be an end of uh um this well this will be a wrap. I might make an episode 2. Who knows? Who knows?